Understanding Native stories is not just about ugly things that happened in the past. You would be hard-pressed when you open your cupboard to purge the Native stuff and have what you would consider a well-balanced meal. Corn used to only grow to this big. Native people selected seeds until they cultivated it into over 100 different varieties of corn, and now it's in everything you eat, drink, and drive. Potatoes, staples in Russian cooking, in Irish cooking, came from Native people to the rest of the world. Tomatoes, which are central in a lot of Asian cooking. And think of Italian food without a tomato. It's a lot harder to do a lasagna, a spaghetti, a pizza, or the Mediterranean diet. Chocolate, vanilla, so many things. And it's not just these sorts of like Columbian exchange things. It's today. Native folks are everywhere too, just not always seen. In hockey, in politics, that's our lieutenant governor. She's running for Senate now. That's a very American picture.